Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside the Gmail account you plan to clean up, sign in and go directly to the gear icon, then see all settings. You do this because account-level actions require an authenticated session. Once done, check the Accounts and Import tab to confirm which addresses are linked and whether you have delegated access, and verify recovery email so you don't lock yourself out. Now move to the linked accounts list so you can remove the old addresses safely. You're now in the center of the process. Remove Send As addresses and delegates. In Accounts and Import, click Delete next to any old address under Send Mail As, and remove any granted delegates by selecting Remove next to their name. Make sure to confirm prompts so changes take effect. Then open your Google account security page to revoke third-party apps and site access tied to old emails. This prevents external access and cleans up authentication, tokens that could reauthorize removed addresses later. Finish by signing out and signing back in to confirm the old accounts no longer appear. This forces Gmail to refresh your session. Make sure to clear cache or use an incognito window if you still see removed addresses because cache settings can persist. If removal fails, double-check recovery emails, passwords, and that you're removing the addresses from the correct account. And if needed, wait 24 hours then reattempt, since some deletions propagate slowly across Google systems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.